Hello everyone! Welcome back to another trading video. First, let me show you my real trading account. Now let's select our indicator. Today we are using the Bollinger Bands indicator. After selecting the indicator, we'll choose our first currency pair EU or USD. After analyzing the market, we open our first buy trade. Now let's understand how the Bollinger Bands indicator works. Bollinger Bands is one of the most popular volatility indicators used by traders. It helps identify potential trend continuation, reversals, and periods of high or low market volatility. The indicator consists of three lines. Upper band, when the price reaches or moves near the upper band, may indicate that the market is overextended. Traders then look for confirmation before considering a possible reversal or continuation. Middle band. This is the 20-period simple moving average, SMA. It represents the average market price and helps identify the current trend direction. Lower band. When the price reaches or moves near the lower band, the market may be oversold. Traders wait for confirmation before looking for potential buying opportunities. One important thing to remember is that Bollinger Bands should never be used alone. Always combine them with price action, support and resistance trend analysis, or other confirmations before entering a trade. No indicator can guarantee winning trades. Now let's check our first position. As you can see, our first buy trade has closed in profit. Next, we'll select our second currency, pair CHF-JPY. After analyzing the market and receiving confirmation, we open another sell trade. Let's wait for the result. Great, as you can see, our second trade has also closed as a win. If you want to receive free trading signals and improve your trading skills, join our free Telegram channel. The link is available in the description below.